we liberated Snake Island, and we think the
The National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for Hunterdon County, New Jersey, effective until 5:06 a.m. Flood warning in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, early this morning. What small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where a portion of northern New Jersey, including the following county: Hunterdon, 1 until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 1:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, gauge reports indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. For Neshannock-Atryville, at 12:45 a.m. the stage was 6.5 feet. Flood stage is 6.5 feet. http www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turnaround, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
number one. After that,